How to find One Punch Man on Crunchyroll 2024. If you want to find One Punch Man anime series on Crunchyroll, it's actually available right inside Crunchyroll. So all you have to do here is simply go ahead and then make sure to open the Crunchyroll application right here. Once you launch the Crunchyroll app, this is the interface that you will see. Now you can see the search icon from the very top right hand side. Just tap on it and just type in One Punch Man over here, right? So all you have to do is just search for One Punch Man and you will actually see the different type of movies that are available, as well as also the anime series with 2 seasons and 25 episodes. You can see subtitled or you can see dubbed or whatever else it is, and then you can select that and then you can simply begin watching One Punch Man on Crunchyroll. This way you will be able to find One Punch Man in Crunchyroll. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.